In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Todoist easily and seamlessly. This integration can be a game changer for your productivity, creating a synchronized workflow across both platforms. To accomplish this, we'll use a service called Zapier, which is a popular third-party integration tool that acts like a bridge between your favorite apps. Whether you're managing projects or keeping track of personal tasks, this will help you keep everything organized effortlessly. First, you'll want to go ahead and sign up for Zapier if you haven't already. It's super straightforward, just head to their website and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you've signed up, we're ready for the next step, connecting both Notion and Todoist to your Zapier account. This will allow these apps to communicate with each other efficiently. When you log into Zapier, you'll be guided on where to link these apps via their authentication process, making sure your accounts are securely connected. Now that we've got everything linked up, it's time to create what Zapier calls a zap. A zap is essentially an automation, a set of instructions that tell your apps what to do with each other. We're going to create one that will allow tasks added in Notion to automatically appear in Todoist. To start, you'll want to establish a trigger. Choose Notion as your trigger and specify the kind of event you want to set off the chain reaction. In our case, that's a new task being added in Notion. With your trigger set, it's now time to configure what happens next. We're going to set Todoist as the action app. This means whenever your specified trigger in Notion occurs, Todoist will perform an action such as creating a task within a specific project. Setting this up is intuitive. Zapier will guide you in choosing actions directly from Todoist. Next is one of the most crucial parts, mapping your data. This is where you get to fine-tune how information transfers from Notion to Todoist. You can match fields between the two apps, ensuring things like task names, due dates, or priority levels synchronize correctly. This step adds customization, tailoring the experience to suit your needs precisely. Finally, it's time to turn on your Zap. With a single click, it's live, and there you go. Now, every time you add a task in Notion, it will automatically sync with Todoist, keeping everything up to date with no extra effort on your part. It really is that simple. I hope you found this guide beneficial. Incorporating this integration into your daily routine can make managing tasks across platforms a breeze. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.